Hi everybody, my name is George and this is Mr. Ooh. Where's Mr. Ooney? Yo, we're live right now. Welcome back to XKUBE. My name is George and this is Mr. Ooney. We've got a Black Friday special edition for you as we're introducing 4 products. And we've got a couple sweet deals for you. The first item we're going to introduce is the... that's the wrong product. The first item that we're going to introduce is a retro handheld game console that comes with not just one, not 2, but 400 games in one. That's right, all the classics. Super Mario, Dr. Mario, Contra, Mortal Kombat, and much, much more. I think I'm gonna get one myself. I just got nostalgic. For the second item, if you like computers or technology, this one is for you. I'm gonna geek myself out a little bit here. The second item is the, excuse me. Blah, 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 blah. Gotcha. We're introducing the StarTech USB-C 10 gigabits to an M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure that's made of aluminum. Best of all, it's compatible with both PC and Mac. All you have to do is open up the enclosure, put in an NVMe SSD, which is equivalent of a hard drive, but it's no longer a big block. These hard drives are these tiny little chips. And because it's an NVMe and you're using USB-C, it's going to be blazing fast. All you have to do is stick in the SSD into the NVMe enclosure and then plug the USB-C into your laptop. A window should pop up and you can copy the files on there just like any other USB drive. Oh, where did Mr. Ooney go again? But anyway, in our previous video, we introduced the Shimono Cordless Vacuum. Today, we've got something exciting to announce. For our Black Friday sale, when you buy a Shimono Cordless Vacuum, we will also send you a lightweight, portable car vacuum by Shimono. It also comes with a 12-volt plug for your car. That's right, when you buy one, you get the car vacuum free. Right, Mr. Ooney? Mr. Ooney, what are you doing? For a limited time offer for Black Friday only, get your Shimono Cordless Vacuum as well as the car portable vacuum today. Available on XKUBE. And for the last item, we're introducing our new XKUBE hoodie, which looks like this. Oh crap! How do you undo this? Nope, that's not it. Nope, no, that's not it. Oh, much better. Our hoodie is now available on XKUBE. Visit our website, xkube.ca, to get the coupon code for a big discount. Limited time offer only, and there's also a limited amount of quantity, so get yours today. If you like this video, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like any of the products that you see, you can support us by buying through XKUBE. Until next time, we'll see you in the next review.